Hi guys, here we are with the one more approval of Sweden Tourist Visa from UAE. As you can see, Mr. Sohail has got the approval of Sweden Tourist Visa. Now I'm showing you just a paper, but it's a sticker which will stick to your passport and it's called sticker visa. As you all know, there are 29 countries in Schengen: France, Germany, Italy, Switzerland, Norway. So many countries are there and Sweden is one of them, and it's very beautiful country. So in today's video, we will not only discuss the success story of Mr. Sohail, but also I'm going to tell you the processing time, the validity, the documents required, and I'm going to give you three very important tips if you are trying to apply Sweden or any country in Schengen Tourist Visa, and those tips can be very useful for your application. But to understand that, you have to watch full video, then only you will able to understand like what kind of tips I'm talking about and how it can be useful for your application. So guys, let's start the video. Before starting, let me tell you, my name is Yogesh and I'm the owner of Akira Tourism, and we provide you exceptional visa, hotel, flight services, and we make sure that your travel become hassle-free. So guys, please do subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, and let's start the video. So guys, as usual, Mr. Sohail has contacted us through one of our social media platform, and he wanted to apply for Germany tourist visa. But as you all know that if you are living in UAE, you are not going to get appointment for Germany because it is now available in August or September, right? But as per our experience and as per our guidance, we guided him in a proper way, and we told him that don't look for any specific country in Schengen. Why? Because as you all know that once you enter in any country in Schengen, there are 29 countries in Schengen: France, Germany, Italy, Switzerland, Norway. And for example, you entered in the France, okay, because France appointment was available early and your specific destination was not France, it was Germany. So what you can do, you can first enter in the France, okay, then after entering in the France, you can travel any Schengen country by train or any mode, because they are not going to ask you visa again for Germany. So this is the thing which most of the people don't know about it. So once you enter any country in Schengen, there are 29 countries. Once you enter any country, you can travel hassle-free without applying for any visa to any country. Okay, so this is a solution we have given to Mr. Sohail as well. So Mr. Sohail has given all the documents to us, like we need passport copy, visa copy, Emirates ID copy, last 6 month bank statement, and NOC from the company. So Mr. Sohail has given all the document to us, and once he given all the documents, we started finding for the earliest appointment for his requirement. So as you all know that if you have visited our office or if you want to visit, you will see there is dedicated team for appointment who checks appointment 1000 times in a day. You are going to check once in a week, but they will check 1000 times in a day. So we have more chances for getting the earlier appointment for any country in Schengen. So once we get to know that Sweden appointment is available, our team called Mr. Sohail and tell him that Sweden appointment is available. Do you want to book? He said, yes, please book it. And once we book his appointment, we prepared his file where the cover letter, itinerary, hotel, flight, dummy, everything we prepared for him, including the appointment letter, and we given him before 4 days of his appointment. And when he go to the appointment date, he just submitted the file. He paid around 400 dirham, that is the embassy fees. And after 10 days, he got the result, which is in front of you. So the way I'm telling you is very simple and easy to understand, but on the back end side, we work very hard on the file, we work very hard on the documentation part, because we know it is very important to get the approval for the Schengen visas. And you know the most interesting part in Mr. Sohail file is that he doesn't have any travel history. His passport was very fresh. He just traveled to Dubai and he wanted to travel Schengen. But still, without any travel history, we got the approval of Mr. Sohail. And now you tell me that Yogesh, from beginning you are telling that travel history is required, travel history is mandatory. Yes, it's mandatory, but we have to look after the profile as well. Mr. Sohail has the investor visa. He has invested in Dubai, in UAE. He has shares, bonds, properties, everything was there. His profile was very strong. So if your profile is very strong and you have very good designation visa in UAE, the chances of approval can be more for Schengen tourist visas. So the chances of approval can be more for Schengen tourist visas. But in most of the cases, people don't have that kind of status, that kind of investment in UAE. So that's That's why we recommend to have travel history before applying Schengen Tourist Visas. But we know that Mr. Sohail has very strong case, has very strong profile in UAE. We can apply directly. And we prepared his documents, we filled everything, and he submitted the file, and the result is in front of you. So guys, that's why I tell you, come and discuss with us. We are not going to charge you anything for the discussion, anything for the consultation. It's totally free. You have to apply the visa, you don't want to apply the visa, it's totally your decision. But just come discuss with us, have a word with us, and then you can decide whether you want to apply with us or not. You can check our Google reviews, you can check our TripAdvisor reviews, what people has to say about us. You can check our track record on social media, Instagram, everywhere the visas are there, customers reviews are there, so you can decide accordingly. Now let me give you the 3 important tips which can be very useful, very helpful for you if you are also planning to apply Schengen Tourist Visa. See, the number 1 tip: if your profile is strong, you are on investor visa, you are on very good designation, and you have invested properties, you have invested in shares, you have invested in bonds in UAE, then you can directly apply for Schengen Tourist Visas. You might directly get the visa without any travel history. Second important tip is your travel dates. Most of the people make this mistake that their travel dates in their documents are different. In cover letter is different, in itinerary is different, in hotel and flight everything is different. This is basic and common mistake which everyone do, because I'm telling you because of my experience. The third and most important tip is your bank balance, the closing balance in your account. See, if you don't have good closing balance, you might have 1000, 2000 dirham, and you are planning to apply for Sweden or Switzerland or Germany tourist visa, and you think they will approve the visa. It's not going to happen. You should have good accommodating balance, you should have good closing balance in your account, so that you can justify your travel and visa officer will not be confused. See, if you will confuse the visa officer, he will not approve your visa. If you have good bank balance, he will not be confused and he will approve the visa. So these are the 3 tips. And again, if you want to apply with us, the number is given below, address is given below. Come to our office, we have a lot of experience, we can help you with the visa process. Come with us, discuss with us, and start your journey with us. So guys, this was the video of success story of Mr. Sohail and the basic requirements for the Schengen Tourist Visas. So guys, if you want to apply, come and discuss with us. So guys, I hope you liked the video. Press the like button, subscribe the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Till that time, see you.